Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is going to be a tutorial using all my BoxyCharm products. And this is a look, obviously very vampy, monochromatic, like burgundy. Clearly the burgundy wine tone vibes are in full in this video. You know, my backdrop, I had to pull it out for this video. It inspired me. This palette from this month's BoxyCharm inspired me for the whole look, the whole aesthetic of this video. Now this month's box is like the theme is gold digger, not gold digger, gold digger, like, you know, your goals. And I can honestly say this is the first month that I am in love with every single product from this BoxyCharm. Like, I was shook. You know, I told you guys I've been like testing out the waters with BoxyCharm for like, I think since the month of August, to see if I'm going to keep it, if I do like it. And this is the first month that I'm actually super impressed with everything. I like everything. There's nothing in this box that I would want to exchange or that I would want something else instead of it. The only thing with this month's box is it came trashed, but I think this is my mailman because he doesn't like us. So I'm blaming him because he just doesn't like us. He literally will walk in the driveway and like not even get all the way to the door to leave our boxes at the door because we have a long driveway. He will leave it like there's 3 palm trees. At the last palm tree he will leave our packages there, like in the driveway, just on the floor. Like, so annoying. Anyways, enough with him. Yeah, I don't even care. Nothing came broken, so I was happy. The first product that I'm super excited about, and when I actually saw this product, I was like, yes, I'm so excited. I can't wait to get my box. I'm going to love it. Is the Ace Beauty. I don't know if you pronounce it Ace Beaute or Ace Beauty or Beaute. Just kidding. Ace Beauty. I'm gonna call it Ace Beauty. I have been wanting to try their products, their eyeshadows and their palettes for a while, and this is a palette we got, the Grandiose however you pronounce it palette, which this color is the color that was like, yes, we are using that for this makeup look, and I'm obsessed with it. I love the formula of the palettes, of this palette. Now I know that I can probably try out the other palettes that have been calling my name. But yeah, the colors, let me do some swatches. The colors in this palette, they're beautiful. They're super pigmented. They're buttery. They're super easy to blend. Like, you see how pigmented that is? This color is like, look at that. This color down here, it has that perfect shade that I look for all over the eyelid. I wanted to use this pink in today's look, but I definitely wanted to use the burgundy shade more. So I can probably do another look using the pink. This color is like everything I can want. And then this last one, Primrose. Sorry I didn't say the names, but I'm just too excited. Look at those colors. Gorgeous. I love this palette, and it's only $24.99, so I feel like it's super affordable for the amount of eyeshadows you get. You get 2, 4, 6, 8 eyeshadows, and they're big pans. They're not the little pans. So yeah, I'm so happy with this palette. I don't even care that it doesn't have a mirror. In case you mind that a palette has a mirror or not, this one doesn't, so you know, just be aware of that. I love this packaging. The other thing that had me shook was the Cover FX glitter drops, and mine's upside down. I previously have, I think this is a color Moonlit, and it's a mini version of the humongous one that we got in this box. We got a full size, and these retail for $44. So with this, it's already double the price of the BoxyCharm. And then you still get all the other stuff. I love this. Like, I put this on and then I just added a splash of one of my favorite highlighters, and you can see it just gives a glow, a nicer glow from within look to your highlighters. Obsessed. And then we also got Luxie
Really?
Luxie brushes, and this is the luminous eye set, and these retail for $21. And I feel like, sorry, all the ruckus. These are the most unique, tiny, precise brushes I have in my collection. I am not even gonna, you know, try and say it. They're not. They definitely are the tiniest brushes. They're so precise though. They were so good doing this makeup look. Of course, I did use other, I think like 2 or 3 other brushes, but that was it. Then I used these and I love them. If you need a brush to do like very precise blending or very precise application of an eyeshadow, these are perfect. They're $21 for 4 brushes. I think they're worth it. They're super cute. One, like they're gold glittery, the handle, and then the ferrule is gold. And then the little brush, they're synthetic brushes, but I definitely think that these are awesome. I like them so much. And the packaging they came in was this one right here, which is also really, really cute. And I just really like these. I am super impressed with the brushes. We also got an eyeliner, and at first I was like, oh, this is gonna be annoying. This, you know, I'm not gonna like this. I actually really like it. It's a black, just like pencil liner, you know, those type that you sharpen, but it's black with like glitter in it. I think, let me see if I can swatch it. Yeah, you can definitely see the glitter. And it's silver glitter. I mean, I don't mind that it's silver because on the eyes, you can't really tell if it's silver. I hope you guys can tell the detail in the glitter. But I put this like on very, very close to my waterline, not in my waterline, a little bit under, just for a little extra vampiness of the makeup. And then I just blended it out with the eyeshadow. But yeah, I actually really, really like this eyeliner, and it's only $5. So I thought that was a good price. It's affordable in case you're looking for a good eyeliner. This is the Jonte Blue. Jonte Blue. I don't know how to pronounce this. I've never heard of this brand, but it's the Glittering Star Eyeliner. So that's that. And last but not least, these lashes, because you can never have enough lashes. Like I can never have enough lashes. Even though I have my favorites, I love trying new lashes. And these are the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. Look at how cute those are. And these are in the style Instaglam. So cute. The name's up here, so if you store them up you can see the name of them. And yeah, their Instagram, Facebook is Lashaholic Lashes if you guys want to check them out. I will leave their links down below as well. And it's the lashes I'm wearing today. They're not too dramatic, but they definitely add a little extra va-va-voom to the makeup look, which I like lashes like this on days that I don't want my lashes to touch my eyebrows, because I have some lashes that do that and I love them even though they do that. But sometimes I want a little bit, you know, something more toned down, and these are really, really pretty. I'm definitely going to check out all the other styles they have. I also love the packaging. It's like gold with white, and then the inside, all of this, let me take the little thing out, that is super like glittery gold. Yeah, I love this. This is so cute. So with that being said, I am definitely keeping this month's, well, next month's subscription to see what we get. I'm so excited for December. I think I'm in line for a Luxie box, so fingers crossed I get one, because I really, really want one of those. Especially December's, I feel like they'll have a little bit, you know, nicer stuff maybe, because it's like December, the holidays, Christmas, all that. So fingers crossed. Let me know what you guys thought about this month's box. Did you like the stuff that you got? Did you try out this stuff and you liked it, or you didn't like it? Let me know. And without any further ado, let's get on to the tutorial.
Next level.
basically it for this tutorial and video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you liked it. Again, don't forget to let me know what you thought of this month's Boxy Charm. Like I said, I am completely obsessed with this month. I feel like it's the first month that I'm like, oh my gosh, I love everything that I got in the box. Like literally everything, and I'm going to use everything and get good use out of everything. So I'm so excited. These are like my holy grail now. I'm going to apply them under every highlighter I have to see how it changes the look of the highlighter. As you guys saw in the tutorial portion, I used this under, and then I added like the most minimal amount of my favorite highlighter from RealHer, which is the Spotlight Is On Me, and look at the combination it gives. So beautiful. I'm obsessed 100%. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all your support.
Why do I keep wanting to say support at the end of my videos?
I appreciate all your support. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And like always, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.